Hello everybody, JT. Today video I will show you how to program without extract the geometry out. We still use geometry, but I will show you real quick in case if you need to use this method. Mm, okay, let's see here. All right, let's say if you want to uh, contour outside here, before I show you that we have to extract the geometry out. Let's see, yeah, so this one will show all the geometry, right? But let's say I created temp, the new workgroup here without any geometry, and I will show you some of the button up here that you can use to uh, program the part without extract the geometry out. So let here first. As you can see, when I click on here, you will see this. It's just the same thing. The geometry show up, but it doesn't. You don't have to extract it out. So let's say if you want to do outside here, you can just do that. Okay, let's say maybe we can use the same to finish. Which one is finish? Okay, so this one is excuse me. So this one due to finish with the extracted geometry, right? But this the same toolpath. Let's go to this one. Turn this one on, and you can see the geometry will show up, and then you can just select it and then click do it. So as you can see here, without extract the geometry, you can still do the program. Let's see the next one. Let's say go inside that pocket, you just move it. So it will show up the geometry out there, and then you still select the depth and everything. But that's just a quick way to do the programming without extract all the geometry out. And this one the same thing. Oops. Well, as you can see there, without extract geometry, the tool will be able to uh, show all the geometry, and then you just select it and then do it. So that's sometime I do this because if it's like a quick simple part, I don't want to extract all the geometry out, I can do that. Let's say if you want to reel this hole here, you can just do that, and then as you can see, minus one, there you go. Well, it's just examples, so it doesn't mean that you have to do this, but it's just the example of making the program without extract all the geometry out from the part. But let's just say if you have a specific depth you want that geometry to be, and then when you have this one on, right, and then you just right click on it and do profile depth. Let's say you want that profile less than that's like 100. Apply. Now you have that geometry exactly by uh, 0.6, right? This 1.5, I subtract one more. I go deeper, 0.1, so that means minus 0.6. So this is useful when you want the geometry to be exactly the depth that you want it to be. All right, the next one I want to show you is, let's say if you face something off, but it's not in the center, the face mirror is not in the center. Let's draw something real quick here. So we have a 2 inches, one, and that's good enough, right? So let's say you have a part that this small, and then that's face mirror there. Let's do this, and then you will see what I mean. Right, okay, and you can see here the toolpath is not like in the center, and usually when I face something, if it's much and the tool diameter, I want the toolpath like almost like in the center of that part of material. But let's say in this case you can see it not in the center, so I want it to pass more like close into the center. So this is how you gonna do that face mill with close to the center as it can be. Let's see here. Okay, I'll maybe do a line. Okay, yep. Oh, you see it? And you can see when when I select that tool, it show up the tool diameter already. Right, let's see if I want to do happen. Let's see. So whatever face mill you have there, you click on it, highlight it, and it will show there. So if I want to do like close to the center and out here, right? Okay, now okay. Well, now you can see that face mirror right close to the center of that material. I do this very often if I have a big face mirror and then I have a small material part that to make, and then I use it to do the face. So I try to get the two as closer to the center of the material as it can be. So that's the fast way that you can face something off, small part, big tool, and try to be in the center. That's how I do it. All right, I think that's it for this video. Just quick some trick that you can do, you can use to make the program in Gibbscam. I will see you next time then. Goodbye now.